My name is Mindy, and I'm from the United States, and I've come here to marry Sajid, and my new name will be Zulekha. And it's been such a great experience. Everyone here is so warm and welcoming, hospitable, very respectful people, and I'm married now, and I'm very happy.
What do you say about peace?
Very peaceful people. Very peaceful. I feel very safe here, and his family is just amazing, as well as this culture and this area.
What's your message to those people who not come here?
You have to experience it for yourself. It is not what you hear about. It is so much more. It is so beautiful here, so peaceful, and yes, I invite everyone to come here and see what this land has to offer.
What's your plan? You go to bed or stay here?
I plan to go home, and we're going to get Sajid's paperwork processed, and he's coming to America with me.